So I've applied my facial oil so that the cup won't pull my skin. And now we're gonna start behind the earlobe. Squeeze the bulb, apply, and release so that a light suction is created. And just let this hang out for a moment. This is starting to open up the lymph channels so that all of the toxins and lymph we move in the face can move down and out through these lymph channels. Now, going down along this ropey muscle, this is called the SCM or sternocleidomastoid. We're gonna squeeze and release. 1, 2, 3. And again, we're gonna do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. In this area of the neck, we never wanna drag the cup because it can stretch the skin or pull the skin, and it's very fragile. So what we wanna do is just squeeze and release. Now we're gonna go right under the chin, below the jawline, squeeze and release to get the suction. And now you're going to run it up under your chin and it'll pop off, or you can squeeze it to release. And 2. On average, you can do 3 to 5 passes in each of these places. 3. Let's do 1 more. And then you're going to, again, move it all down these lymph pathways. Now we're going to go to the side of the jaw, on top of the bone, and squeeze it to release the suction. So squeeze to start the suction, and squeeze to release. Let's do 3 here. And then we're going to go to the middle of the chin in the front. 1, 2, 3.